A dark spiced rum plus a dry vermouth creates a Black Devil number 3. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make a Black Devil number 3. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, there are timestamps down below if you want to go right to the recipe. Otherwise, here's a little bit of talking. I don't know the history of the Black Devil cocktail, so I can't tell you what the original recipe is. I can tell you that there are 3 common variants. This is the third of those variants, which is why I call it a Black Devil number 3. A note on the rums. A Black Devil number 3, it differentiates itself from the other Black Devils by using a spiced rum, and the recipes usually call for a dark spiced rum. I actually have a black spiced rum, the Kraken, 94 proof, so this is going to be a strong one. However, feel free to use a dark spiced rum that you find appealing, and if it works out well, let me know in the comments down below. To make this drink, I'm going to start by prepping the glass, and the official glass is a martini glass, also known as a cocktail glass, and what I'm going to do is rim it. And in order to rim it, I'm going to cut a line. Hopefully my fingers survive this operation. Just going to cut a small wedge, maybe I'll get a sharper knife next time, and I'm going to run the lime around the rim. Now, what am I going to rim it with? Orange sugar. Let's see how well I do this. Not bad. I seem to be getting better at this. Now let's make the drink. This is a stirred cocktail, so I have my mixing glass here. Mixing glass? You said, yeah, I said that. Okay. We're going to go with 2 ounces of our dark spiced rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Half an ounce of your dry vermouth. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Get some ice. Add your ice. And give it a stir. I guess that one didn't want to work. Get rid of the extra ice cube. Then strain your drink into the cocktail glass. Now to garnish. Garnish is blackberries. 3 blackberries, 1 blackberries, maybe not 2. I don't know if the olive rule applies to this one. I'm just going to drop that right in. And there you have it. A Black Devil number 3. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Does the Black Devil number 3 deserve its own name, its own designation, or is it just another Black Devil? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have social media links down below. Feel free to follow me on any of those. If you made it this far into the video, give yourselves a like for making this far and me a subscribe to support the channel. And my dog wants a t-shirt. Do you want a t-shirt? Contact me through the social medias and we'll make sure you get a t-shirt.